on, guys? I'm out here at Creek Park fishing again. I just threw it in a couple times, got my first fish. Let's check it out. Here it is. The fish is just as big as the lure. It's a nice little smallmouth. Let's see if I can get him off the hook quick. But yeah, I'm gonna see what I can catch out here. It's one of the last remaining nice days, so let's see what I can get. Let's get this thing off the hook though. Excuse the sound and the tripod that's being stupid. Alright. Come here, little guy. There it is. Here it is. It's a nice one. I gotta take some selfies quick. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back to the car, put my fishing stuff away, and go look along the creek for some critters. Hopefully I'll find a snake, maybe a turtle or something, who knows. It's towards the end of the summer, so they'll be coming out to get warm before it gets cold in the night. So hopefully there's a rock wall over on that side. I'm gonna go look over there. A couple years ago we found like 30 garter snakes over there in one day, so hopefully I can get lucky today and find at least one. So yeah, I didn't catch nothing besides that little tiny smallmouth. I guess nothing's hungry besides the little ones. I didn't even get a bite, so I'm gonna head out, try to find some critters. This is the cliff. It's all grown up, so you can't really get in there. They used to cut it all down so you could walk right along the edge, and that's where we found them. But they quit growing, they quit cutting it. All the trees grew up. Can't go in there anymore. Nothing. I found a lure. That's about it. It's getting hot. So I'm gonna head back to the car, relax. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I would just go back to Tiss, hang out. Oh yeah, last time I was here, there's a dead crow, or not a dead one, there was a crow sitting under this bridge, and he was all wobbly and stuff. I got it on video, I'll show you guys. But anyway, while I was down there fishing, some lady came over with a yellow bag and she was looking around under the bridge. Kind of confused me a little, but when I got back to the car, Mom told me she came and picked up that crow from underneath this tree. So that crow must have had West Nile or something, got injured and died, but she put it in a biohazard bag. Probably gonna get it tested for West Nile. There's been cases around, so that wouldn't be good. But yeah, I have it on video. I'll let you guys see it. Oh no, just hooked myself. Okay. It's a West Nile crow. No, he's just sick. Oh yeah. That bird has West Nile right there. His partner's over there, just chilling. see if I can get close. I don't even know if I can, if you can tell it's a crow in the video.
Yeah, the wings are drooping.
Yeah.
It'll do shit to catch him.
He can't even stand up.
No, he's sick. See if we can make it across the creek.
Probably not. Don't.
Yep. Oh, hey.
Woo.
Whoa.
Oh.
He's been drinking. Yeah, he's long.
Yeah. Oh. His time is soon. I think Mom's taking a nap. Hey, look, I found a lure. Made in France. It's a French lure. I don't know if it'll work for these American fish though. Are you ready? I didn't find nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. But this lure. Alright, let's do this.